Berlin Art Market every Saturday and Sunday. Here, not just paintings, they have jewelries, they have decors, souvenirs, like this one. Some ceramics and jewelries. Skirts are 59 euros. She made herself. Wow, nice pen. Magical Berlin, Comfort Vision. Artworks. And it fits your luggage. Yeah, just to know. You have a code, you get discount, 50% code for 2 weeks. From there. Some jewelries, paintings, but this has a different style. I also like it. It smells so good here. Got a lot of interesting food. I smell something good, something nice. Leather goods. Jewelries. Wow, this is nice. Interesting. Picture your iris. Wow. This is nice. This is very interesting.
Perfect. Yeah, we have to see how calm.
The necklace, it looks cheap. It doesn't look real. I like the other painting, and this is of course nice.
It must be nice to ask Maria if she could put 2 eyes like this on that.
I believe they could, because look at this one. It's a square. Was able to put.
From America.
What is that?
We can have a friendship necklace with a heart.
Done. They're making a family picture. It's a family picture without the face. That's interesting. Shots.
Shots, you know what I'm looking at. It's nice to bring shots from each country.
Yeah. You want? I think not here. We go to the souvenir shop.
Yeah.
Not here.
Yeah.
It's a little bit expensive. Shirts, print. Berlin is a beautiful city. city. Really, I like it.